Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for the love of decor and more. Today's video I will be showing you an unboxing of my formal dining room dining chairs, and over the years I've changed my style quite a bit, and I come to the conclusion that I really love a traditional look with a bit of modern thrown in there. So that mesh together is really what I love. And you know, going back and forth on whether I wanted a wood table for my dining tables or for my end tables in the living room and family room, whether it be glass or wood tables, and also, you know, your dining chairs, the legs, if I wanted them metal or if I wanted the traditional wood chairs or wood legs on the chairs with upholstered, the upholstered look versus, you know, that kind of pleather material. So it's so many options out there, right, you guys? But one thing that I always come back to is I like both traditional and modern. So I am going to be mixing those looks together throughout my home, and I have done so in a few places already. But in my formal dining room, I do want to set up my chairs that I ordered from Amazon, and I did get two styles of chairs. And I'll tell you that the beige chairs that I ordered were not my #1 pick, and I've been going back and forth between the chairs that I ordered and the ones here on the screen for maybe about 3 weeks. So I ended up ordering the ones I'll show you guys in a second, and I'm not 100% happy about these chairs. And you guys, when you have a gut feeling on what you really want, get it. And I'm saying that, but I never do that, and I really want to start doing that. Choosing what I really want, you know, even if I have to wait and save up a bit more money for it, but get what you really desire. So I am going to look at what it will take for me to exchange the chairs that I have already for the ones that I really want. And I'll show you guys how they look right now. So of course, you guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, hit the notifications bell, all that good stuff. And let's jump right into the video on the new dining room chairs and how we can put that whole look together, okay?
Oh This one I can do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did jabata. Dada cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man, we don't you get jabata. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the best. They kill him, ride good. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the best. They get him, ride good. I no fit, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commentate. So anything when you do, they try to do my mistake. Plenty survive we face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the bent, they get them, ride good. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the bent, they get them, ride good. I know, now.